Do you enjoy buying clothes?
I used to. Yes, like most young people, I was a bit of a slave to passion, and I always have to buy the must-have shirt or pair of shoes. I'm not so bothered now. Now though, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing something old-fashioned, but I'm not as bothered as I used to be about what I wear.
What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I prefer casual clothes. Actually, I hate getting dressed up for special occasion. Personally, I think it's possible to look good in a pair of jeans, but that's my opinion. I don't think my wife would call me a fashion icon, that's for sure.
Are there many clothes shops where you live?
Yes, there are lots in my town. From the big chain stores, we've got a couple of really nice shops that sell vintage clothes, old clothes, but in a classic style that never really go out of fashion. I love going there.
I did like to I I did like to talk about one of my teachers, Miss Evan. She teaches us English in the school I go to. We always look forward to saying what she are going to wear when our lesson start. She's always very well dressed and takes a lot of pride in her appearance. It's not the she dress in very smart clothes. She does come to school dressed to kill or anything that like that. But what she wears really suits her and clothes, and most of the time they just of the pack and the side says not intrigue the designer label or anything like that. She does seem to conscious about keeping up with the latest fashion. He just wears clothes that are timeless. Yes, Miss Evan is the person I think look great in the clothes and she wears. What factor do you think affect the clothes we cost to wear?
It depends. Where we are or where we are going is a big factor. If you are going out to a club or party, you're going to dress for the occasion. And then there are those who think it's important to look like they're on trend. They'll want to wear the latest fashion. There are lots of factors, really.
What kind of things determine what is in fashion and what we should be wearing?
I suppose the big fashion house and fashion show must have an effect, but the clothes you see on the catwalk don't always reflect that normal people wear. So I suppose it will be things like what singer are wearing in videos or models are wearing in magazines, that kind of thing.
Is it possible to look good without spending tons of money on clothes?
I'm sure it is. Yes, I suppose it's about having an eye for what looks good, knowing how to mix and match different items of clothing that go well together. I think you can pick up great bargains in charity shops. Some things for youngster, even hand-me-downs can look good. Definition. To be on trend is to be very fashionable. Casual clothes is not formal. Classic style is a simple, traditional style that is always fashionable. Designer label is a well-known company that makes clothing. Dressed to Kill is wearing clothes that attract admirers. To dress for the occasion is to wear clothes suitable for a particular event. Fashionable is in fashion. Fashion house is a company that sell new styles in clothes. Fashion icon is a person who is famous for their sense of fashion. Fashion show is an event where models show of the latest in fashion design. To get dressed up is to put on nice clothes, often to go out somewhere special. To go out of fashion is to not be in fashion anymore. Hand-me-downs is clothes that are passed down from older brother or sister to their younger sibling. To have an eye for that and ours is to be a good judge. To have a sense of style is the ability to wear clothes that look stylish. The height of fashion is very fashionable. To keep up with the latest fashion is to wear the latest fashions. To look good in is to wear something that suits you. To mix and match is to wear different styles or items of clothing that aren't part of a set outfit. Must have is something that is highly fashionable and therefore in demand. Off the peg is clothing that is ready made. Old fashion is not in fashion anymore. On the catwalk is the stage that models walk along to show off the latest fashion. To slave to fashion is someone who always feel the need to wear the latest fashion. Smart clothes is the kind of clothes worn for a formal event. To suit someone is to look good on someone. To take pride in one appearance is to pay attention to how one looks. Timeless is something that doesn't go out of fashion. Vintage clothes is clothes from an earlier period. Well dressed is to be dressed attractively.